Hi everyone, today we are looking at a question like this, and this question is actually from Anderson. So without any further ado, let's get started. Now, as you can see over here, it says that some identical bowls, okay, the word identical is extremely important. It means that the bowls are the same, okay, and identical cups are stacked as shown in the diagram. Okay, so in the first part of the sentence, they want us to find the height of each bowl. Okay, so what I want to do first is I want to understand that this is one full bowl, so I'm just going to call this a full bowl, and we know that these are all stacked on top of that full, and we are going to call all of them parts. Okay, so I know that one full bowl plus two parts, I will get to 20 cm. Okay, so because I know that one full plus two parts is equals to 20 cm, I can reflect that in my first diagram, okay, which is over here. As you can see over here, this is full, all right, this is part, and this is part, okay, and these cups, oh sorry, I apologize, and these bowls that I have identified, they are actually the same as the one in the second diagram. Okay, so let's call this the first diagram and this is the second diagram. Okay, so when I know that from here all the way to here it is actually 20 cm, I can confidently say that this full and one part is simply just 36 centimeters minus away 20 centimeters, and I'll get to 16 centimeters. Okay, so what I can see here is that one full plus one part is actually equals to 16 centimeters. I do not know it individually, but I know that when I group them up, okay, which one am I referring to? I'm actually referring to this one. When I group this and this up, I will get to 16 centimeters. Okay, so once I'm done with this, I realize that this is a repeated identity kind of question, whereby I see that full and full, they are the same, so I'm going to remove it. And what happens is this, right? I can do two parts minus one part, and I know that one part of the bowl is actually equals to 4 cm. So since I know that one part of the bowl is 4 cm, and I know that this is 4 cm, okay, the question wants us to find the height of the bowl, which means to say from here all the way to here. How do I do that? Very simple. I just have to do 20 minus 4 minus 4, and therefore my answer for this question has to be 12 centimeters. Okay, and that is the height of each bowl. Now, once I'm done with this, I can move on to B. In B, they say that the height of three bowls, okay, so three bowls. Okay, since I know that one bowl is 12, I'm going to do 12 times 3, and I get to 36 centimeters. Okay, so that is the height of three bowls, and they say that it is the same as the height of two cups. As you can see over here, okay, we do not have it here in the diagram, but we can say that it has the same height as two cups. So I'm going to write down that two cups is actually equals to 36 centimeters as well. So quickly find Mr. Greenman. We know that one cup is actually equals to 18 centimeters. So go back to your diagram and reflect it over here that this is actually equals to 18 centimeters. So once you're done with that, you know that you can actually find out whatever there is over here, right? Same thing. This is a full cup, and then we are, and then there are parts, and part, as you can see over here. So to find out what are these, you just simply have to do 39 minus 18, okay, and you will get to 21 centimeters. Okay, so we know that three parts of the carbs. So what we are going to do is we are going to write that three parts, okay, we are referring to cups, is actually equals to 21 centimeters, and the question wants us to find the height of y, and y is actually just one part. So therefore, I can simply find one part. I just have to do 21 divided by 3, and therefore my answer for this question has to be 7 cm, and 7 cm is the height of y.